Hello everyone, it's Dr. H. Today I'm going to talk about how to use CoolEdit for research, especially in the field of speech analysis and speech therapy. CoolEdit is a very good tool for this purpose. It can record speech, can play back, can examine or edit details of a speech. And we can do research by using CoolEdit. These two pictures are from CoolEdit. It is a recording of a vowel. If you look at the top picture, the recording duration is 0.8 seconds. And it is a recording of ah. If we zoom in, we can see a 0.05 second detail in fine structure. So the x-axis is time, the whole duration is 0.05 seconds. Y-axis is the air vibration. The air vibration close to the recorder when I speak. So this is recording of vowel ah. For comparison, this is recording for s. S. The top one is 0.8 second, the bottom one is 0.05 second. For comparison, we can tell consonant has a periodic pattern repeatedly. But S, consonant, no, they don't have a periodic pattern, or we call them non-periodic. So those four pictures are captured from CoolEdit. So next, I will show how to use CoolEdit for speech analysis. I'll do a recording by clicking record button. Ah, ah, ah. S, s, s. We will rock you, rock you. Okay. Let's do a playback from here. Click the play button. Ah, ah, ah. S, s, s. We will rock you, rock you. If you want to look, we can select a piece and click the zoom in button. This is R. So we can see that when I select 0.05 second, we can see the pattern of R is quite periodic. Let's zoom out and select S. So I select the 0.05 second. You can see the S. The x-axis is time, y-axis is vibration of the air particles close to the recorder. We can see that there is no periodic pattern at all. Here is a in CoolEdit, you can select some part and click delete on the keyboard to delete some sound. And I can delete 2 R's. So here's a R, here's a We Will Rock You. So if you listen, now it's ah, and We Will Rock You. Let's play. Ah, we will rock you, rock you. Okay, so that's it. Then we can delete even more or delete more. Just press the delete key on the keyboard, and we can copy Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So there are We Will Rock You. If you play we will rock you, rock you. So this will give us a way to examine and edit and even change some parts of the recording or room in, room out. And this CoolEdit is a very good tool to do research for speech analysis and speech therapy. When I go to a speech therapist, my speech therapist will give me a chance to speak. Meanwhile, my speech therapist will use CoolEdit to record my speech. Afterwards, the therapist will examine fine structures of my speeches. Each individual vowel, like R, each individual consonant, like S, T, will be examined by the speech therapist. Finally, the therapist will draw a conclusion on what issue I may have in my speech, an issue with my throat, an issue with my tongue, the issue with my mouth or lips, or is there any issue in the way they collaborate, or is there any issue in the way all the components, mouth, lips, even nose, throat, vocal cord, vocal tract, is there any issue they don't work well with brain? Is there any issue of brain's motor sensor system not working well with all those peripherals? So in this sense, CoolEdit is a valuable tool to provide insights to the therapist. Okay, this is my video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to the icon on the right. Your subscription can help other people in need. Thank you. Bye-bye.